My kindergartner, Jim, yesterday heard you say something about snow flurries.
Uh-oh.
We need an update quickly.
I shouldn't have said that.
I wondered about our chances of precip.
Well, there's still a slight chance we get a couple of flurries late tomorrow night and early Thursday, but I think most of it is going to evaporate before it gets to the ground. It's pretty dry outside. I don't know if you noticed that today. This cold front bringing in dry and much colder air, too, and it cleared the skies today, that dry air. That could be ominous for tonight. I say the skies are clear, at least temporarily. You're looking, obviously, from Westlake, our broadcast tower camera there, looking back to the southeast toward downtown Austin. But let me pan the camera back down to the south, and I want you to notice off in the distance there, that is a deck of low cloudiness, a deck of stratus, we call it, that is near San Antonio, but is lifting northward right now. So our forecast for tonight, a little bit on the tricky side. If that deck of cloud cover moves overhead overnight, that will stop the temperature free fall, and in some locations it will not be as cold as it otherwise would have been. Maybe not the coldest night of the year. If it does not make it, if the stratus dissipates as it gets here, or for any other reason does not envelop the sky, this is likely going to be not only the coldest night of the winter so far, could potentially be the coldest night that we see all winter long. Let's hope so. All right, right now it's 40 degrees. We'll talk more about the forecast in a second. By 8 o'clock tonight, that low cloud cover will not be here. We'll be at 35, and by 10 o'clock tonight, maybe some cloud cover getting up here, but I think we'll be below freezing in many locations by 10 o'clock tonight. Right now, upper 30s and low 40s. Some places didn't get out of the 30s today despite the sunshine. These are our forecast lows tonight, assuming that we don't have much cloud cover. 14 to 22 in the hill country. Wind chill factors a little colder than that, maybe 10 to 15. Metro area overnight between 19 and 25 degrees. When you wake up first thing in the morning, it could feel anywhere between 15 and 20 with a north breeze out there, still a little bit breezy at times. In our eastern counties, about 20 to 26 degrees first thing tomorrow morning. Anything below 28 in Austin will make this our coldest night so far this winter. 40 degrees in the city right now. There's that dry air, 16, 19 degree dew points, 40 degrees out at ABIA, mostly clear, 7 to 14 mile per hour winds right now. The mole count medium today. Cedar high with the sunshine and the winds that got stirred up behind this cold front today. It went higher today, and it may go a little higher tomorrow too. Around the state, 30s and 40s. It is cold everywhere in Texas right now. There's the cloud deck that moved out today, but in the last picture, let's look at the loop one more time. There's the cloudiness that's trying to surge back northward and come our way. There is the storm that has joined forces with the southeast storm you've heard so much about, but that could potentially produce a big nor'easter. If you have travel plans tomorrow to New York or to Boston, there could be 8 to 18 inches of snow on the ground up there, so some significant delays will be possible. We're still tracking that little disturbance. That's what Leslie was talking about. I mentioned last night it could bring a few flurries. Right now it looks like mainly thickening clouds for us, with any rain or flurries that form staying south of our Austin area. Mainly just increasing cloud cover over the next 2 days around here, which will lock in this colder air. How cold? Well, again, a quick look at the lows tonight. These are the in-town readings, but I showed you the specific numbers a few minutes ago. And then tomorrow, high temperatures about where they were today. We'll go clear tonight, but I may change this a little bit overnight depending on that advancement northward of the cloud cover down south. Tomorrow, 44, and I think we'll go mostly cloudy during the day tomorrow. And then we'll stay mostly cloudy on Thursday. Again, that will lock in the cold air. Friday, starting at freezing, but we begin a warming trend that will take us through the MLK holiday on Monday. But we could also see a slight chance of some weekend light rain.